Everyone in the carpet cleaning industry know how tough it is to remove urine odor from a thick, supersized Oriental rug. Let me show you a cleaning process, machine, and cleaning product I believe is the best in the market. To clean Oriental rug, area carpet, hand-knotted rug, the one that we call it latex, pillow, all of them that's saturated with the dog or cat's urine odor. We develop a machine that's clean it through. Introducing the PetPeePee machine. Natural cleaning process, control automatically or by remote control. I'm opening the valve, and now the suction is coming from under the rug. It means I'm cleaning the rug through the rug. I flood the rug from the top with the odor-free Dead Sea minerals, and then after I flood it from the top, the suction from under the rug pull everything through the rug and send it to the sewage. This process repeats itself many times. On the way to the sewage, when everything is coming from the under the rug, all the dirt, the water, everything's blending together. Everything's coming from here, going through the tube and coming to this clear tube. And this clear tube show me what's coming from the rug. So I can see in real time, yellow, brown, dark brown, chocolate brown. And when I finish the job, the water here will be clear. Then I know my process is complete.